Hi everyone, Johnny here again. Just going to show you how to clean an air conditioning filtering system. First thing you need to do is go to every end. It just clips out. Do the other side. Just be, of course, just be fairly gentle with it. Oh, where are you? Okay, now what you need to do is just open it up. So you hear the little click. Now these are here are the filters. There's one for each side. What you need to do is just lift it up gently, and they just drop out. Now when you put them back in again, they just slide back in, so I won't be able to do it single-handedly, but I think you'll be able to get the idea. Okay, the second one just lifts straight out, and then just duck it down. Okay, just a quick pause, and I'll be back shortly. Yeah, it's back again. Just got Mum helping me out just to hold down everything. So all you need to do is just vacuum each one. This is when you need both hands just to make sure that everything's done properly. Go through with a little brush attachment. That's the first one done. The next one. Of course, it'll be a little bit easier when you've got two hands working and everything. When I'm just doing the video, it's great having a second hand doing everything. And just a little pause again to get up the ladder. Okay, back again. Since we've got the vacuum out, Miles will just go around all the edges, just give it a quick go while everything's here, so everything will be done quite nicely. There you go. I hope you've got some usefulness out of this video, and hope to hear from you soon. As always, have a nice day. A quick little inspection, have a quick make sure everything's okay. Yep, everything's good.